Hello guys, good evening and welcome back once again to another crypto live session with Crypto with B. I'm your host Brian, and before I start, right, I just want to share with you regarding about the airdrop updates, recap from 3rd till the 9th of March, and of course, let me share my screen. Start. Okay, so what do we expect here for the crypto market outlook? First thing first is the technical setup. So technical setup you can see on the total tree, which is the altcoins. So altcoins, you can see the market for total trade is actually trending towards the upside. Still, there's bullish momentum that is continuing towards the upside. So the next level you might see around 791.282B. Okay, so I believe the monthly candlestick is still quite bullish. Okay, then we are already entering the middle of March. Okay, so this will be the range, right? The resistance and then the support zone will be around here. Okay, so let's look at weekly. Weekly chart also overall the trend is bullish. The momentum candlestick towards the upside. So obviously right now you can see the market for altcoins is continuing to trend higher. Get daily as well, right? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs again. Okay, and then there's a reversal here, a rejection. Okay, then if you look on to H4 for hourly, we can see also the trend is actually breaking up, right? Creating a higher highs, higher lows. Okay, so total tree overall is still bullish. If you look at the altcoin market cap also is still exploding, especially coming in from meme coins, leading up all the way to us micro cap coins. Okay, so on dominance setup, what we can see here for Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin dominance, what we can see is that the price is actually topping up here, getting sideways movement. There's no sign of breaking towards the upside. So you can see the setup have also broken below this level here. The previous resistance now is breaking below here. So continue the trend towards the downside, you might see somewhere around this level to be playing out here, around 21.27. Okay, that will be the next support zone, the pivot level here. Now on weekly, for weekly time frame, you can see the market is sideways, stopping out. You can see rejection. Last week, candle rejected, right? Went all the way up, but closing below top BB. Similar as this candlestick as well. Went all the way up, closing below the middle band, the top BB. Look at daily candlestick. So daily candlestick, you can see the setup, right? It's actually breaking down. Candlestick change of direction from buy to sell. So it's actually below the middle band. Okay, so still below the middle band. Then look at H4. For hourly candle, you can see also the trend setup. It's actually breaking up, closing above the middle band here. Okay, so obviously right now the trend is uptrend for Bitcoin dominance on the smaller time frame. So this could also have a short-term pullback, which will be the re-entry side, the 3.79. Okay, so that is Bitcoin dominance. Then Ethereum against Bitcoin, you can see the monthly setup. So monthly setup here, we can see the price. Okay, here you can see the price is descending channel. Price creating a descending channel. So most likely there could be a sign where the market might break towards the upside. So far, we can see the monthly setup, right, have retested at the re-entry cell. Okay, 1, 2, and 3 for 3 months in a row tested at the sell zone. So continue towards the upside, you might see around this level on the middle band to be playing out at 0.0643. Okay, weekly. So a weekly candlestick, you can see also momentum. Every momentum is always a pullback. Okay, so now it's trending above the middle band. Okay, so that is the weekly time frame. Now, daily time frame, you can see the setup. Okay, candlestick change of direction from sell to buy, maintain above the middle band. Okay, daily still maintaining up. Okay, so everything, the trend is still uptrend for Ethereum against Bitcoin, but on H4, for hourly, the price is breaking below. Okay, below the middle band. So let's see, it's downtrend at the moment for Ethereum against Bitcoin on the 4-hourly time frame. Then moving on to BTC. So BTC here, you can see here, finally it's holding around 69.4. Okay, and it's trending up again. Okay, continue towards the upside. So what we can see here, right, the next level, new all-time high will be around 93.8K. Okay, this will be at the golden ratio from here. So that will be around 20%, 35% from the current high, the new high. Okay, will be around 35%. Okay, so you see weekly candlestick, right? Weekly candlestick, you can see the trend is bullish momentum all the way uptrend. Okay, trending is up, and then look at daily. So daily candlestick also you can see momentum pullback, breaking higher, and then closing above the previous resistance, which is this level here, right? 6.58.2. That is a daily candlestick. H4, 4-hourly, you can see also the trend channel. Okay, it's breaking towards the upside. So weekend, really the market liquidity is not there. So the most likely will end up sideways, and then we are looking forward for the new opening for Monday. That's where we're going to see financial institutions will be pouring in to actually come back the market. So yeah, so obviously it's quite bullish like Ethereum. So Ethereum, you can see now we have reached exactly 4K, $4,003. Okay, so right now we're at 3950. Okay, so the next high we're going to see for Ethereum will be around this level here, right? Once it breaks all-time high at 4628, right? Next level will be 5626. Okay, so far the next golden ratio will be around 4.3K, right? The golden pocket here. So yeah, nonetheless, you can see overall also still quite bullish. So you can see the total 3 market cap is also breaking towards the upside. And then of course we can see the support zone where it needs to pull back maybe around here at 3.4K. So 3.4K will be the pullback if there's any chance of a retracement. Okay, and of course this level also will be watching here. Around 2784. So 2784, 3.4. Then on weekly also, no sign of reversal yet. Still continue to the upside. Okay, daily also, trend is up. Momentum all the way. And then your pullback maybe could be around here. Okay, this could be a pullback at 3635. Then on H4, 4-hourly, we can see also. 4-hourly price is still sideways, closing inside top B. Still inside top B, right? And then we can see the setup now is looking sideways and waiting for a huge break. Okay, so you have to wait and see for the Monday candlestick opening. Okay, for this week. So far overall it's quite bullish for Ethereum. So most likely you might see a reversal or a huge break up from here. Okay, so if Ethereum with the break up, then 4628 will be the next resistance, right? So that's my take for the technical side. Overall it's quite bullish, no sign of major retest yet or major shakeout. So you can see the details are back again to actually drive up the market. Okay, then moving on to the airdrop. So airdrop, first thing first, we can see here. This is from Cosmos Atom. So if you have staked Atom, okay, or Cosmos, okay, so I think this is the airdrop has been on and off, has been updating, okay, which is coming in from Aether EVM. Okay, so what they are mentioning here is that they have reaffirmed the Atom holders, right? If you are staking Atom, most likely you'll be qualifying for this airdrop, okay, with a 40% distribution. Okay, so they're allocating about 40% to those who are staking Atom, Cosmos. Okay, and of course, more and more updates will be announced from this team, Aether EVM. Okay, so I think the snapshot has been done, but the only thing is that they haven't announced the claim or meant to claim this airdrop. Okay, so on and off, they've been updating us. Okay, so these are the things to watch on the Cosmos ecosystem, right? If you have staked Atom, okay, I think you should definitely qualify from here. So if you look here, this was last 2 months, right? January 18th, right? This is the eligibility, right? Aether, okay, 70% for airdrop, 40% reserved for Atom stakers. So if you have staked Atom specifically, then you should receive this order of 40%. Okay, then moving on next, you can see. Okay, so for those who are staking DYM on Dimension, okay, and voted in the Capital Wallet, right, voting for governance, I think you should also stand a chance to earn this token called AIG, okay, or 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀, has confirmed 12% of total supply allocation for Genesis drop. So this is actually quite huge coming in from 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀, okay. So, right, there will be much more allocation for Dimension stakers, which will be gradually released in the future. So already confirmed that they will be allocating to Dimension token. I believe this is not the first airdrop that Dimension token will be getting. This is 1 out of 5. So you have 5 airdrops coming in for Dimension stickers. Okay, so if you look at 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀, the 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀, you can see here, right? This is their main page. Okay, so they didn't really mention what they're doing. Okay, this is more, I think most likely they're focusing more on RoApp. Okay, RoApp. Okay, so this is 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀 blockchain, a robust RoApp blockchain built on Dimension with a parallel secure chain in a novel consensus algorithm. So the keyword here they're focusing on is RoApp. Because Dimension also is more towards the RoApp as well. So anything to do with RoApp, they're actually indirectly participating with the dimension or having an influence with dimension ecosystem as well. So this is why they're actually providing this airdrop those dimension stickers. Okay, so yeah, 10 more updates will be coming in from AG source from the team. So let's wait. Then of course we move on. Okay. So the next one we are looking at is the HYPR airdrop. Okay, also coming in from the Cosmos ecosystem. Okay, so this is the liquid staking. Okay, so HYPR airdrop likely to include milktia holders, right? And of course, milktia DeFi users as well. So we are staking milktia using your Celestia to stake under the liquid staking platform called milktia. So I think we should qualify for this airdrop as well called HYPR network. So they have already announced the collaboration with Milky Way. Okay, right, the first liquid staking protocol for Celestia. So and of course, Milky Way, right, or milktia also will be announcing their very own airdrop, which is also coming up with their own point system to qualify for the airdrop. So yeah, on and on, we can see here, 10th of January, HYPR network announced, right? Something special for Restake TIA stickers as a show of gratitude. Okay, for TIA stickers show of gratitude for this being part of the Celestia ecosystem. So at the moment, there is no snapshot yet for this airdrop. So you can continue to stake and liquid stake in milktia, stake your TIA Celestia into milktia to qualify for this airdrop. And of course, you will be adding points under milktia to qualify another airdrop. Okay, which is also leading up here, which is the M points and milk airdrop. Okay, so this is a thing that you want to take note as well. Okay, so yeah, this is HYPR. So they haven't announced yet the airdrop, but make sure you want to participate. You can be able to stake your Celestia under Milky Way. Okay, next. Okay, so more and more airdrops coming in from Dimension. Okay, I said it's not the first, but total about 5 airdrops under Dimension. Okay, so NIM Network will be the first roadmap to launch on Dimension. Okay, they will have a public allocation of 9%, right, distributed to those airdrop. Okay, for Genesis Roadrop. Okay, and then of course you can see a lot of posts on my timeline about airdrop to Dimension. It has not yet been confirmed or announced by the team. So at the moment, no snapshot, no minimum criteria. Okay, but if you look at the background of NIM, okay, or NIM Network, they're actually a blockchain gaming experience combining cutting-edge technology with gaming fundamentals. Okay, so this also involves Dimension and Celestia. Okay, based on the Ethereum virtual machine. Okay, so yeah, all in all, you can see here, this is a tokenomics, right? So for the Genesis Roadrop, we were allocating about 9%. Okay, allocating about 9%. Token sale at 13%. Okay, so yeah, these are the things to watch for this week as well, because I believe more and more reports will be given to Dimension stickers. Okay, so yeah, in the meantime, put your DYM to work, right? So that's the thing that you want to do now. If you have your Dimension token that is sitting around your wallet and not doing anything, it's the best time to stake in your capital wallet. You want to stake with the outside of top 10, right, to qualify yourself for the Dimension, for the tokens. Okay, they have any affiliation with Dimension, right? We have NIM, Network, okay, and we have others as well that is coming in for staking Dimension. All right, so this is the thing. Okay, more and more news that will be coming up as well. All right. Then of course, moving on next, we have this meme coin. Okay, so HAVA, they have already announced the token criteria or eligibility, so you can be able to start checking your wallets, right? Start connecting your wallets to this, like you're able to check your wallet. And of course, right now they are launching their meme coin. I think this will be the first ever meme coin that will be launching under the Cosmos, like Cosmos ecosystem. I think this could be the next slide for meme coins. Okay, so HAVA coin. Okay, right, you can be able to check your wallet. Okay, you can simply paste your wallet here instead of connecting your wallet. Okay, that's the best thing. Like, you don't have to connect your wallet, but you can just paste your wallet address, and then you can just click check status. And then, so this network supported about 5, six ecosystem, which is Cosmos, Atom, Celestia, Juno, Objective, Osmosis, and Chimova. So you have stake any of these 6. I believe you are also qualified. But let's say if you stake Cosmos, Celestia, and Objective, I think you have qualified also 3. So you have to check each and every wallet that you stake to I think you will be getting it as well. Okay, so this is HAVA Airdrop, which is meme coin. Okay, so yeah, I think this is quite interesting to watch, especially once this token launch. Okay. Then moving on next, also we can see coming in from Hydro protocol. This is actually a liquid staking ecosystem under the injective platform. So what is really happening is that the team have already announced, right, based on the season 1 airdrop. Okay, for phase 1, we have the testnet participants, those who are doing testing the system for Hydro protocol. They're also getting reward. And of course, for those people who are staking injective, people like us, right, under the Kepler wallet, staking under the outside of top 10, most likely will be qualifying as well for the Hydro protocol token. And of course, phase 3 early access farming, those who are actually farming this Hydro protocol token, I think will be also have a chance to earn this airdrop. So again, the snapshot has already been taken since I think early January, I think 4th of January, not mistaken. So I believe the only way to qualify is to farm. So you can be able to stake your objective token to Hydro protocol in order for you to earn points. Okay, you'll be getting this token called HING, which is a Hydro Objective Liquid Staking token. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing. And then season 2 airdrop is coming soon. So this will be for HING farmers and of course people who are stickers, right? And stickers, Hydro stickers. So this one will be coming in once season 1 have been released to testnet participants, injective stickers, and then early access farming. So once all this 3 is done, then we move to phase 2. So overall, you can see, I think this will be quite promising compared to other injective airdrops. Because other injective airdrops, I think, is a bit disappointing. So because it's been low on quality. Okay, but now it's all depending on Hydro protocol to deliver the airdrop allocation, right? So once they confirm or they announce the token drop. Okay, so yeah, overall you can see it's like a waiting game now for Hydro, because I believe it could be this month to provide the criteria and the token eligibility. How much are we getting based on the staking amount? Okay, so this is Hydro protocol. Then moving on next, we have Kamino. So Kamino Finance is a lending and borrowing protocol under the Solana ecosystem. So what happened is that the team have already announced season 1. Okay, there have been ongoing campaign on the point system, and season 1 snapshot will be taken on 31st March, which is end of this month. Okay, so this is the first ever season. Okay, there'll be taken a snapshot. Okay, and of course the token TGE, token generation event, which is their airdrop, will be on April itself. So I think a lot of people will be participating and starting to lend and borrow tokens in Kamino, which will earn them some points to qualify for the airdrop. Okay, so you can see Kamino Genesis an important step in establishing the decentralized governance of Kamino Finance. Okay, so I think there are a lot of concerns regarding about the date has been released. Okay, and then of course the whales are also taking advantage if they know that the snapshot coming in on 31st March. Okay, so we have roughly about 21 days from now to actually accumulate as much point as we can to lend and borrow. Okay, and to maximize the rewards from here. Okay, so yeah, season 2 and beyond, Kamino Point season 2 will begin April. Okay, and we continue to reward protocol participation. Season 2 will emphasize loyalty and sustain usage of Kamino's product. Okay, so I think the point system will be ongoing. Okay, will be ongoing. And then if you look here, all users eligible for Kamino Genesis will be able to check their allocations on the Kamino Genesis platform. Okay, so relevant links will be distributed when allocations are publicly available. Then again, they are going to release the token, right, on April. So you can see full information on Kamino will be released before the token generation event on April. Okay, so it's already confirmed that Kamino will announce their token on April. So we have roughly less than a month to farm the points. You need to lend and borrow your asset, right? So you can then lend out Solana and borrow USDT or USDC to maximize the reward. Okay, so on you can see right now, a lot of tokens are going to airdrop, companies are going to airdrop, especially coming in from Solana. So last but not least, we can see the final one, which is Wormhole. So Wormhole is interoperability protocol where you can be able to do cross-chain transfer from one network to another network. And finally, they have already announced the token check eligibility, where you can be able to check your wallet, whether are you eligible or not. So congratulations for you guys who have qualified Wormhole. Even for myself also have qualified for this airdrop. So yeah, so this is a thing that you want to take note. So I think the TGE, token generation event, will be on 19th of March. So it's like 2 weeks they announced before the event. Okay, so all in all, if you have interacted with Wormhole ecosystem, okay, from December, okay, December, January, for the snapshot on 7th of February, then I think you should qualify. So this is a website here, you can be able to check your token eligibility, your wallet, right? So you can use either EVM, okay, Solana, Sui, Aptos, Objective, the Cosmos ecosystem, right, and Terra Luna as well, yeah, Algorand as well. So these are the few options they have given. So I believe many of you guys who have qualified, right, those who started early since last year, December, right, December or November, we have already qualified for this airdrop. Okay, it's a very short journey, right, since the announcement on last year, end of November, and then they taken the snapshot on 7th of February, okay, 6th or 7th February, so it's like 2-3 months, okay, then right now they have already starting to distribute the tokens, most likely on the 19th of March. Right, guys, so I believe that's all I have for this week, and this is a recap. And once again, guys, thank you for your time, and I will update you guys again next week.